how to use Dootchi app. So if you want to go ahead and use this, go to your Play Store, download and install it from your App Store, of course, and then open the app. What you're going to do first is to create an account to have more freedom to use the app, I suppose. We're skipping to this part since there's a lot of silly stuff you can find in the homepage, but put in your name, your gender, and if you want to publicly show this, and then an optional bio. So you can write a brief bio. It's gonna be a great way to let others know to whatever. Just put in your bio. Then once that's done, go ahead and press on save your personal information. You could create your character if you like, but you can do that later as well. So if you want to get started, you can try creating your first post or interaction and navigate through the app's tabs, like the home page, which we are going to enter, the chats, the create a character, and finally your account section. But to understand how it works, you pretty much go ahead and find a conversation you want to go with. There's going to be types, categories, or whichever is available. You could search for them as well. And if you like that conversation, you can go ahead and choose that and then start the conversation from there. So you could also make use of any built-in tools to maximize your experience, but that's pretty much the main idea on how Dootchi works. So hopefully this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.